Welcome back. It's been a bit, but it's time for another build, and we're coming in big. The Master Grade Extreme Strike Freedom. If nothing else, the box art is enough to get excited about this one. This is also a Father's Day gift. The lady of the house came through on this one, not my kids. Don't get too excited there. So we'll unbox this one. Master Grades take a while to build. So once we get done with that, I'll drop this video, and then I'll bring a second video in to show it off and talk about it when I get it all finished. So let's head over to the bench. We'll get it out of the box. Okay, let's take a look here. First of all, you still just have to look at the art here. It's just a beautiful box. Let's see here. All right, so right off the bat, some pretty golds. Got more golds, lots and lots of gold. Looks like wet slide decals. Blues, more blues and reds. Oh. Has its own base, some metal stickers, some more metal stickers, some clear reds, clear blues. Oh, that's right. I remember seeing this one comes with kind of a stand to hold your trees as you're working. It's interesting. And then of course our instructions, where we have awesome box art again. Extreme metallic. Looks like 22 or 23 trees. Pretty typical instructions. I like how it tells you what color the runners are that you're looking for. Nice art in the middle. Comes in at 47 pages, so pretty good length here. Some more art and information, characters. All right, this one's looking cool. So I'm really looking forward to this one.